Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, we will paint these 6 diyas beautifully. I'll paint in the center with metallic grey. This is metallic blue. I'm painting with sky blue now. I'll paint again with metallic grey in the corners. In the next pair of diyas in the center, I'm going to apply bronze. Now I'll apply metallic green. I'm using bamboo green color now. Now I'll be painting with bronze again. In this pair, the center will be painted with gold. This is metallic violet with which I'm painting. Now I'm painting with light violet. This is the third pair of diya that is painted. All the pairs came out really well after painting. Thank you for watching this video.